And now, Philipsburg Broadcasting proudly presents Good Morning, Mr. Governor, with Francis Carty.
Good morning, Mr. Governor. You cannot govern Statia by remote control. As we learn more about the necessity to solve the problem of the lack of drinking water in St. Eustatius, it is becoming obvious that Holland cannot govern the daily affairs of the people of Statia from the halls of the Dutch Second Chamber. While the people of Statia are obviously suffering from the urgent need for drinking water, Dutch politicians are conveniently debating how their urgent need for drinking water should be solved. This method of governing the affairs of the Statian people is not sustainable, especially when we know that these politicians are more interested in their own upcoming elections in 2020 than in making sure that the people of Statia have sufficient potable water to drink, to wash their hands during this period of the coronavirus, and for their children to use at school. It is time for us to face reality and admit that something urgently must be done to resolve this issue, because the governing structure that is in place just cannot meet the basic necessities for the people of Statia. Talk is cheap, but the people of Statia need more than a part-time administrator to take care of their daily needs. Good morning, Mr. Governor.
That was Good Morning, Mr. Governor by Francis Carty.